Welcome to Prairie Toyota's Tips to Tackle. I'm your host, Wes David. On today's Tips to Tackle, we're going to talk about clean, drain, and drying your boat to keep prairie provinces free of invasive species. As of right now, Alberta is zebra mussel free. Starting next year, it will be mandatory to move or transport your boat through Alberta with the drain plug removed. Getting used to pulling your drain plug out is one thing, but remembering to put it back in before you launch your boat is another thing. So I always keep my drain plug with my boat keys. As soon as I pick my keys up, I remember my drain plug. Next, I move up to the motor. The invasive species can last up to 30 days at a variety of temperatures. Had I just come out of a water body that was contaminated, backed my boat into this water body, and all that water came out, I may have just contaminated another water body. The government has done an amazing job at the boat check stations, educating people on the clean, drain, and dry system. Do your part and help keep water bodies free of invasive species.